Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best electric bike in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you need an e-bike for daily commuting, weekend adventures, off-road riding, or simply want a faster and eco-friendly way to travel, there's an option on today's list for you. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes of 2026, comparing their performance, battery life, comfort, features, and overall value. We've also included the pros and cons of each model to help you choose the right one. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Electric bike for adults, 1500-watt peak motor. It features a 1500-watt peak brushless motor that delivers strong acceleration and enough torque for city streets, hills, and light off-road trails. The 48-volt, 20-amp-hour removable battery provides an impressive range of up to 70 miles with pedal assist, making it ideal for long commutes or weekend rides. The 24-inch fat tires improve stability and traction on pavement, gravel, sand, and even snowy roads, while the 7-speed gear system gives you more control across different terrains. Pros: powerful 1500-watt motor, up to 70-mile riding range, removable battery for convenient charging, stable fat tire design, excellent value for money. Cons: heavier than a traditional bicycle, not as fast as some 2000-watt models. If you're looking for the best all-around electric bike, this one is our top recommendation. Number 2. Jasion Thunder STI electric bike. Depending on the version, it offers an 1800-watt or 2200-watt peak motor, capable of reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. The large battery delivers up to 90 miles of riding range under ideal conditions. Its 26-inch fat tires provide excellent grip on pavement, dirt, snow, and sand, while the strong frame supports up to 500 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. Pros: powerful 2200-watt motor, up to 90 miles of range, 35 mile per hour top speed, high weight capacity, great for all-terrain riding. Cons: long charging time, large frame may not suit shorter riders. Overall, it's a fantastic option for riders who need both speed and endurance. Number 3. 20-inch fat tire electric bike. If you want something compact and easy to handle, this 20-inch fat tire electric bike is an excellent choice. It offers a 48-volt battery with a riding range of up to 80 miles, making it ideal for commuting and everyday use. The 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires provide a stable ride while keeping the bike more maneuverable than larger models. Front suspension improves comfort over rough roads, and the adjustable seat makes it suitable for both adults and older teens. It also comes with UL 2849 certification, adding extra peace of mind for electrical safety. Pros: compact and easy to store, up to 80 miles of range, comfortable suspension, adjustable seat, UL certified electrical system. Cons: not ideal for aggressive off-road riding, smaller wheels than full-size fat tire bikes. It's a great everyday electric bike for commuters and casual riders. Number 4. 7,000-watt electric dirt bike. If off-road adventure is your priority, this electric dirt bike is built for serious performance. Its 7,000-watt peak motor delivers incredible acceleration and reaches speeds of up to 55 miles per hour. The 60-volt, 30-amp-hour battery provides plenty of power for long trail rides, while the dual suspension and hydraulic brakes improve both comfort and control. With 17-inch dirt tires, it handles mud, gravel, and rocky terrain with ease. Pros: massive 7,000-watt motor, up to 55 miles per hour top speed, dual suspension, hydraulic brakes, outstanding off-road capability. Cons: expensive, too powerful for beginners. If you want maximum off-road performance, this is the bike to choose. Number 5. Jasion Thunder Pro STI 2000-watt peak. The Thunder Pro STI combines a 2000-watt peak motor, 1040 watt-hour removable battery, and up to 90 miles of riding range, making it a reliable option for both commuting and weekend adventures. Its 26-inch fat tires, durable frame, and UL 2849 certification provide a safe and comfortable riding experience across a variety of terrains. Pros: powerful 2200-watt motor, excellent battery life, UL certified, comfortable fat tire ride, strong 500-pound capacity. Cons, premium price, heavy frame. It's an excellent choice for riders looking for a dependable, high-performance electric bike. So, those were our picks for the top 5 best electric bikes of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall value, the 1500-watt peak electric bike is our top recommendation. For riders who want more speed and longer range, the Jasion Thunder series is a fantastic choice. And if your adventures take you off the beaten path, the 7,000-watt electric dirt bike delivers unbeatable off-road performance. We hope this video helped you find the perfect electric bike for your needs. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.